كما لا يجب على من يملك مقدارا من المال يفي بمصارف الحج وكان ذلك وسيلة لإعاشته وإعاشة عائلته. He has some money, $10,000. Okay, it is enough for him for the Hajj, but it was also the money to support and to live on it. No other way of income which is suitable for his status. Okay, his status in a way that, for example, they will say, oh, there are jobs in the alcohol stores. Yeah, but it's not suitable for me. I'm a Muslim. I cannot sell alcohol. I cannot buy alcohol. I cannot work in the alcohol store. I cannot work in places. There are jobs, but those places, they sell things which are prohibited on a Muslim to sell. So I can't be a seller in those shops. So what does that mean? That means that you don't have to go for Hajj because you have jobs available. Those jobs are not suitable for you. If those jobs are not suitable for you, then you don't have to go for Hajj and you live on this money which is available for you and your family. فَبِذَلِكَ, from all that we understand the conclusion. أنه لا يجب بيع ما يحتاج إليه من ضروريات معاش في أمواله. Here we are talking about selling necessary items, selling necessary house just to go for Hajj, selling necessary property, selling necessary car, selling necessary items to go for Hajj. So I have wealth, I have money enough, I have car, all these. If we sum up the value of it, it's more than enough for me to go for Hajj and come back. But then I need my car, I need my house, I need my computer. From this it appears لا يجب بيع ما يحتاج إليه في ضروريات معاشه من أمواله. It is not obligatory to sell whatever he needs in his living from his wealth. So he doesn't need to sell these things. ولا ما يحتاج إليه منها مما يكون لائقا بحاله أزيد كما وكيفا. What does that mean? My status, social status, says I can use, for example, Mercedes car. Okay, but I don't have any other extra money to go for it. I can't tell him sell the Mercedes and buy a Toyota and go for Hajj. I can't say like that. Kamman wa kaifan. I can take a small car. No, but it is not suitable for my status. So I don't have to sell that in order to buy a cheaper car so that I can use that money for Hajj. If I'm a clerk and regular, then I may need to sell my car and get a cheaper car and go for Hajj. Because for me, no, it doesn't suit because I'm a regular clerk. For example, I'm mentioning, okay, these examples can be argued, but I'm just trying to bring the picture closer to your mind, suitable for status, okay? Now, yes, in Islam, there is modesty, humble, and this and that. That's fine. But Islam also respects the property, respects the value, respects the society, respects the urf, respects the common consideration, the common lifestyle. As long as it's not haram, Islam respects it. As long as the director and the directors anywhere you see, they drive that kind of car. So this is kamman, quantity-wise. Okay? Kaifan, quality-wise. So this is Toyota, small car, and this is Mercedes, small car. This is, for example, $50,000. This is, for example, $25,000. So there's a huge difference. So in that $25 extra, I can go for Hajj. So am I obligated to sell my Mercedes and get a Toyota, same size, but quality-wise, there is a difference? No. If your status requires that you have that quality-wise car, kaifan, kaif is quality, then you stick to that, you don't have to go for Hajj. But if your status does not necessitate for you to have that kind of car, so sell your car, get a Toyota, and go for Hajj. فَلَا يَجِبُ بَيْعُ دَارِ سُكْنَى. So it is not obligatory to sell his house, just to go for Hajj. وَثِيَابُ تَجَمُّلِهِ, and the dress of beautification, adornment. وَأَثَاثُ بَيْتِهِ, and the furniture of his house. إِذَا كَانَتْ كَذَلِكَ. If they were similar, if they were in that situation, either he needs them or no, he doesn't need them, but they are suitable for people like him. وَلَا آلَاتُ الصَّنَائِعِ, neither the industrial equipments which he has. التي يحتاج إليها في معاشه. He's a what is a carpenter. He has nice electric saw. He has nice equipment. He's using it in his industry, in his work, in his job. ونحو ذلك. Or if you're a Maulana, or if you're a scholar, or a sheikh, or Ayatullah, whomsoever, and you need religious books, you don't have to sell your religious books to go for Hajj. Or you don't need your religious books, but you being a scholar, you need to have them with you. Suppose someday a ruling comes up and you need to investigate and do a research. بالنسبة إلى أهل العلم, for the people of knowledge, seekers of knowledge, مما لا بد منه في سبيل تحصيله. You have to have the books in order to seek knowledge. على الجملة لا يكون الإنسان, in general, that means لا يكون الإنسان مستطيعا للحج. A person would never have the capacity to go for Hajj إذا كان يملك فقط ما يحتاج إليه في حياته, if he was owning things which he needs them in his life. وكان صرفه في سبيل الحج, and it's spending those things which he needs them, if he spends them in Hajj, موجبا للعسر والحرج, it would be a cause of difficulty and hardship for him.